Hi, I wanted to share this video. I just got my pop on Veneers, and I don't know if you can see it, but I'm opening the box. Oh, wow. I'm opening the box. Here it is. And they do bring, they give you, look, this is so nice. Look, they're in there. I have my mirror where I can show. And you get your impressions. You have your impressions, a little bag. This is so cute. And okay, enough of the impressions and stuff like that, but I'm gonna try them on. And let's see, they come just like this. Look. And it took less than, I would say, a week and a half, honestly. The shipment is wonderful. Okay, here it is. So, let's go. These are the tops. Let me just check the mirror. I don't want to make a mistake. Wow. Okay, let me try the bottoms. Okay. I cannot believe it. Wow. Yes. Absolutely amazing. And I don't feel different. I feel gorgeous now. I can't believe it. These guys are absolutely great. Whoever is thinking on getting them, get them. I feel, oh, I have my smile back. Thank you, Pop Veneers. I've been thinking about it for such a long time, and I don't regret it. It's a blessing. A blessing. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Pop Veneers. Thank you.